This is where it all began. We had a vision to redefine what's possible in additive manufacturing, and this is where we are. A leap forward in power, productivity, precision, and scale. But the journey doesn't stop here. There's more innovation and breakthroughs to come. In 1995, we hit our first big breakthrough. It was more than just a technological achievement. It was a moment that defined us. We realized we weren't just engineers, we were pioneers, changing the face of manufacturing forever. Since that moment, a special spirit has been the heart of our journey. It's not just about the machines we build or the records we break. It's about the attitude, the energy, and the relentless passion that drives us. Some of us have been here since the very beginning, and we've never lost that spark. What I love most, that spark, that spirit, it isn't fading. We are a young company. The average age here is just 34. And the amazing thing is, these young people have that same fire, that same drive to push boundaries and to create something extraordinary. Sharing my experience with them, passing on this legacy, that's what keeps me young. Our systems are more than just machines. They are instruments, each one finely tuned to create something remarkable. And the applications they manufacture are like music, each one a testament to what can be achieved when you combine passion with innovation. This is our 1000th system leaving our headquarters. Reaching 1000 systems installed, it's not just a milestone. It's proof that when you embrace that special spirit, anything is possible. We've set ourselves apart with our experience, our dedication, and our relentless pursuit of excellence. And we are just getting started.